This is Chris Guerra, and this is the Balut challenge.
I told you it was hot.
Oh shit.
I told you.
Oh!
Jeez, that's probably really hot inside.
Woo-hoo! Look at that.
It's still hot. You're gonna burn your
I'm not gonna.
mouth.
No.
It has juices in it, remember?
Mhm. It looks so good. Where's my fork? We a knife? Look at that.
You're in the light, Eves. Wait, I didn't even get you taking a bite out of it. Oh,
It's actually really good.
it's actually really good? Oh, okay.
I'm fucking genius.
Let me get a... Oh, God. You like it? Is it burning your mouth?
It's fucking. It's like the super fucking. The great best tasting thing I've ever had in my whole life.
Real good?
Mhm.
Oh, surprised. I'm surprised.
Oh.
It smells like chicken soup.
It's the best tasting thing I've ever had.
It's good?
Yeah. The greatest thing I've ever had in my whole life.
Alright.
And I don't like hard-boiled eggs.
I like hard-boiled eggs. I'm not trying that.
Look at it, it's cooked all the way.
Yeah. Oh, never mind. I thought you were gonna, like, puke. I thought you were gonna throw up.
It's actually tasty. It's really fucking good. Oh.
Nice.
Oh, I'm good. That's hot.
Huh? You burnt your mouth? You should have let it cool down a little bit. Alright, well, that's...
Oh.
Don't burn your...
So now I challenge Denise, Patrick, Jordan, Deshaun, and Walter. You got 2 days to do this. That's actually pretty good.
Oh my gosh.